going to take this paper that we did with our evidence, and we are now going to apply it to our writing, okay? On Friday, I gave you guys this worksheet here that lays out every single detail of the paragraph. One thing I forgot, if you could, I don't know if I said this or not, above the elaboration at the bottom, please write intro to elaboration. At the bottom, where it says elaboration, above it, write intro to elaboration, because I forgot to put that on there. So what we're going to do today is we are going to now fill out this graphic organizer. So you're going to have your reasons from your thesis statement, which would be your reason 1. This is just one paragraph. You're going to repeat this whole thing for paragraph 2. Okay? So our body paragraph 1, it says reason 1. What's your first reason? What's your first direction? I want you to list it. Then you're going to choose which transition word you are going to use from your list. You're going to put that there. Then you're going to look at your topic sentence. Now I'm going to combine my transition word and my reason to make my topic sentence. Make sense? Okay? Then I'm going to introduce my evidence. Just like we took our notes on Friday, that's what this is. But now we're actually putting it in. So our intro to evidence, then we're going to state, we're going to write our evidence from our graphic organizer. Okay? I want it all on here. Then we're going to introduce the elaboration. And then we're going to elaborate. You need to tell me why that evidence is important. What does it mean? And how does it relate to your topic? That elaboration is so important. Okay? Then you're going to introduce the evidence again. State your evidence, number 2. Introduce the elaboration, elaborate, and then closing. Now, this is a review from the notes that we took on Friday, all right? But I want you to fill this out. Now, if it's easier for you to fill it out in the Google Doc that's on Google Classroom from Friday, you can do that. Some of you like to type better than you like to write, okay? But what I would do then, for paragraph number 2, do the same, you have to do the same thing. Okay? Does that make sense? Once you have this filled out, then you can actually take this and put this into your Google Doc of your actual paper with your introduction. But this needs to be filled out first. Why do you think this is so important? Why do we need to fill this out? AJ?
Because you're putting most of your details and evidence on the paper.
Okay, yes. And if you didn't, sometimes your thoughts when you guys go to write, you forget these steps. Okay? So by doing this, maybe by the time you get to paragraph 3, you won't have to fill this all out as detailed because you'll know what to do. But for the first 2 body paragraphs, I want to see that. Does that make sense? Okay.